I've made some changes to my YouTube channel. Also, I've made some changes at Load Chart Academy as far as the resources that are available to you. I wanted to share that with you for the LAT specialty exam and the load chart problems. I used to just have the load chart problems available, and they are still available. I'll talk about that in just a second. But I also, in addition to the load chart practice problems, I have 17 video tutorials for the lattice boom specialty exam. And here is a listing of those video tutorials. Here's a thumbnail of what one of the videos looks like. Again, 17 of these sounds like a lot, but I try to cover the different variations that you're likely to see on your specialty exam. I mean, there are other variations also, but with these variations, that's going to cover most of what you're likely to see on your specialty exam. Again, we have the video tutorials, which is a new addition, and then we have the practice problems, 3 sets. There are 14 problems and solutions in each set, and here's what we've got. Scroll up here. Here are the problems. LAT set 1, number 1, work that problem. Then you scroll down, and here is the solution to that problem with details and notes and things to watch out for. And again, there are 3 sets like this, each set with 14 practice problems and solutions. All right, just wanted to give you an update. Let me know if you have any questions.